Dear student, today we will teach about Thevenin's theorem. What is the concept of Thevenin's theorems? The Thevenin was a scientist. He gave his an equivalent circuit theorem which states that we can replace a linear circuit which is made of combinations and power supply can be replaced by a single power supply and a single resistance with series of that power supply. Here it is seen there are three resistance R1, R2 and R3 is taken. This is R1, this is R2 and this is R3 are taken, and here this is also a power supply include at here. We supposing that the voltage of this power supply equal to V1. Then this circuit can be replaced in easier way by a simple power supply and a equivalent resistance R. Yeah, we can say that RTH means of that RTH is the resultant resistance of all the circuit which are connected to this power supply, and here it is a single power supply. So what will happen that this all resistance, three resistance plus one power supply is simply replaced by one power supply plus one resistance, equivalent resistance. Here we will see the total resistance or Thevenin resistance. To find out Thevenin resistance, first we will do here this is R1, R3 and this is power supply and this is our R2, R2, R3 and R1. Then we are interested to replace this circuit at this point we just called A and B. Then what will we do? First, to find out the resulted resistance, we bypass this voltage supply, or we can say that we short circuit. Then what will be happen after this short circuit? This will be a single connector and there will be R3 and R1 in parallel to each other, then their equivalent resistance will be R1 R3 upon R1 plus R3, and this equivalent resistance is parallel to R2. Then RTH comes out R1 plus R R2 plus R1 R3 upon R1 plus R3. This is a required resistance we have to use to follow Thevenin theorem. On the other hand, the power supply is B, linear combination between this point A and B, just like this. I will draw it again. Then what will be here our resulted resistance, and this is our also power supply, and this is our terminal A and terminal B. Then it is equivalent to same value of current or voltage across the point A and B as it had earlier. So by this help of the Thevenin theorem we can replace a complex circuit and resistance by a equivalent resistance and equivalent voltage or power supply. So experimentally the Thevenin resistance can be found by progressively loading the circuit until its output voltage drops to half the open circuit voltage. At that point the load resistance is equal to the Thevenin resistance.